Scan and QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Kalan 0. I'm joined by Umenier Wetiski. Nonchebe.
Kusho ngasho elinye igama but hayi asikho la. Kusho ngasho nelinye igama. Hayi. Cut.
Lela mabuji. Okay, nsebele.
Yeah, sure.
Angimnani mina.
Yeah, si travelile sila. Yeah. Ngamla isikhathi nje. Sibo. Ngihleze ngikutshela ngithi kuwena football is a game of
patterns.
Game of patterns.
Yes.
All right. I guess qale la Sibo. Benginokutshela nje abantu enginokukhuluma nabo ngebhola ukuthi kwangijabulisa mina ukuthi sithole iMarumo kwifinal.
Yes.
Then ukuthi sithole iGolden Arrows. Remember semi-final bidlalwa iGolden Arrows neMarumo.
Yes.
So after ilokhuzana ama semi-finals like abantu bengibatshela ukuthi mina ngihappy ukuthi sizodlala neMarumo. Okay. Ngizokutshela nje ngikudala ukuthi why ngisho kanjani. Alright, asibuyele kulento lethi football is a game of
patterns.
Ama patterns, right? Alright, last season Pirates versus the Chiefs.
Yeah.
I-Premier League.
Yeah.
I-Pirates winner 1-0.
Yes man.
Kwangaphela I think akuphelanga 2 weeks. Pirates yadlala ne-Chiefs eNedbank ifinal.
Yeah.
I-Chiefs yawina ngo-2-1.
Yes.
Okay. This season saba ne-Arrows versus iMarumo eKingswell team.
Yeah.
Premier League.
Yeah.
Arrows yawina ngo-4-0. Akuphelanga 2 weeks. Arrows versus iMarumo again.
Yeah.
iMarumo yawina. Badlala i-draw and then yasiyawina ima-penalty. Right? This season again, iPremier League. Marumo 2, Pirates 1.
Yeah.
Today, i-cup game. Pirates inzenjani? Yawina.
Yes.
So, umuthi uyachecka kulezi zinto kune-pattern eyenzakalayo.
Enjani?
Igame yokuqala ye-league sibuyela back to i-Pirates ne-Chiefs. I-Pirates yayiwina. Yaluza i-final eNedbank. Sibuyele kwi-Arrows. Arrows yayiwina igame ye-league. Yaluza igame yani i-semi-final.
Yes.
Sibuyele kwi-league. I-Pirates yadliwa kwi-league idliwa iMarumo bani ngo-2-1. Iyenze njani yawina today wina i-final versus iMarumo.
Yes.
Sibuyela back to lento bengitshela yona ukuthi mina ngaba happy ukuthi sithole iMarumo then ukuthi sidlale i-Arrows because egameni le ye-league i-Arrows isidle ngo-3-1. So chances are bengabuyela kulama patterns lawo kade ngikhulu. Okay, akwenzeki njalo but ibhola linendlela yokuthi lenze njani liziphinde sithibe. Well, ezinye izinto ezenza ukuthi sithola ama patterns aso ilento ukuthi yona sithibe umushaya umuntu kwi-league uba nalento ukuthi okay ngimshayile. Ugcina ungathathi izinto ezinegative kuleyo game leyo edlalile because remember even if uyawina kunezinto ezinegative okusuke kufanele ufunde kuzona as much as utholile u3 points but if utholile u3 points sometimes unokurelaxa uthini okay ngitholile u3 points sengiyodlala nabo labantu i-cup game okanye ngiyodlala nabo i-final noma i-semi-final ngisazophinde ngibashaye kanti bona uma besuka kwi-lose babuyela back beyocheck izinto ezinegative kakhulu sorry sibezokhona usibebuyele kuzona ingakho bengingathanda ukudlala ne-Arrows because bese ngaba ne-challenge today because sidlile kwi-league akwenzeki njalo but ama patterns ngihleze ngikutshela alright asingene egamini ke okay first half I think bekufanele sikore nje amagoli abhaya and then kwangavuma ukuthi sikore and then second half I think senze mistake man like uma hope seshe samkhipha yeah sishe samkhipha evidence with inclusion kaMbuthuma urile no police bastrugglishile because they need a point of reference ubani lo evidence so res bezokhona ukuthi bedlale naye be bounce naye ibhola belinokhe naye buthi compare uMbuthuma akasiyo lo muntu lo uthanda ukuthi esoldele kanye izidlalele so waborile nabo police badinga umuntu okanjalo uMbuthuma umuntu othi onukelwa igoli ukuthi ngifuna ukukora there is why bonazi uMfukeng bese lose amabhola wa police beluza amabhola it's because I think isisheke sayenza leya sapho kabani ka Lukuzana ka evidence well going to isapho kaMfukeng okay immediately uMfukeng umekora safaka uSibisi I think i technical team yethu be smart da because ngalesikhathi score imarumo yasukumisa I think it's Clifford layouts le ya Madrid so leyo nto ibibonisa ukuthi imarumo isifuna ukudlala direct okanye over i defense so ukudonsa uMfukeng because nenyawo bese ingasavumi sifaka uSibisi leyo nto leyo ibisisitshela ukuthi sizo defend abantu abangaka abayi5 which means lama direct sports bebezowadlala bese sizoba nama center back ayi3 azokhona ukuthi edile nawo leyo nto ibonise ngokuthi uSibisi as much as engene wadlala isikhathi esincane but I think kube nama clearance okuheada ngekhanda around about 4 or 5 kulesikhathi lesi asincane leyo nto ibikutshela ukuthi Marumo vele ibisenjani ibise direct alright Sibo abantu abaningi angizukukhuluma kakhulu ngezinto azenzile but abantu abaningi bathi uMbule uyalazi basho kanjalo bathi uMbule unjani uyalazi well mina angizukuya la sengivala nje igame today ingenze ngabuyela kwisisho sasekhaya
sithi
kunento esibiza ngokuthi isisho esithi mengabuyela nje uMbule for mina uya relate kulesisho leso ukuthi into kumele uyiphathise okwana kwezikhali zamantungwa uMbule bathi uyalazi mina ngithi uMbule ibhola uliphathisa okani okwezikhali zamantungwa isiZulu asitolika sithiyo inkosi ithela umusa kubona bonke ababukele nabalalele siyabonga
mina riminande. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?